In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your camshaft position sensor on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located in front of the engine. The battery is underneath this cover. You're going to see your red slide here for when you need a jump start. But the battery is under here. So you're going to flip up these three. There's one here, and one here. These three hold downs. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to do so. And once you get those unhooked, you're going to take this cover off. Set it aside. We're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to take off our negative battery terminal. For us, it's right here. Going to loosen up this nut. You're going to notice the terminal getting loose and take it off. We're going to remove this cover first. You're just going to pull up on it and set it aside. And now we're going to remove these two airflow tubes. Ours are not correct. Yours should just unhook from here. And right here is another tab where you'd push in and pull this off. Do that for the other side as well. Again, ours is broken. The cam sensor we're going to take out is right here. It's for the intake. Down here is the bolt. It's an inverted E8 socket that you're going to be needing. We're going to take this off the bracket here by pushing in on the tab towards the engine and sliding it off. Set that aside so you can get to your bolt. Next, we're going to undo this connector. Push that in. And wiggle it off. Now we're going to take out the bolt. Again, we're using an E8 socket, inverted. Loosen it up. Remove your bolt. To remove this, you're going to want to give it a little wiggle. Sometimes they pop right out. Sometimes they don't, and you might need a flathead screwdriver once you get it far enough away from the block and just wiggle it. Clean the surface. Do not push any dirt inside. Make sure you put some oil on your O-ring before installing. And now we're going to put it in. Apply pressure. And get it past that O-ring. You're going to hear it click in. Line up your bolt hole. And then you can start your bolt by hand. Let's torque this down to 72 inch-pounds. Do not over-torque this. It is aluminum that you're going into. Once you've torqued it, you're going to connect your connector. Line it up. Push it down. You should have a tab there to lock in. Now we're going to slide this back on. Push it. Make sure you hear the click. Now we're going to install our airflow tubes. Notice where the curve is and line it up accordingly. And then push it onto here. Yours should line up. Ours doesn't. Do the same on the other side. There should be two clips here. We only have one, and there should be two grommets that fit into these two spaces. Line things up. You're going to see two slits here that fit into that groove. That should snap into place. Tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it doesn't move. And now we're going to put our cover on. Make sure both of these are out and your spring is up. Your spring clip. Now you're going to put this over the battery. Just make sure everything's out of the way. Snap it on. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.